Now I'm talking about DNA fingerprinting. Technique of DNA fingerprint was developed by Dr. Alex Jeffrey and as an attempt to identify DNA marker for the inherited disease. It is proved to be a quicker way to compare the DNA sequence of any two individual. तो जेफरी ने इसको इस्टेब्लिश किया था, दो लोगों में अगर हमें कंपैरिजन करना हो, डीएनए का पता लगाना हो, तो हम इसको फिंगरप्रिंटिंग को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. DNA fingerprinting involves identify differences in some specific region in DNA sequence called a repetitive DNA. तो repetitive DNA क्या होता है? Small stretch of DNA is repeated many times. Repetitive DNAs are separated from bulk genomic DNA as different peaks during density gradient centrifugation. Out of them, the bulk DNA form a major peak and the other small peaks are referred to as satellite DNA. तो स्मॉल पिक्स को सैटेलाइट डीएनए समझते हैं. सैटेलाइट डीएनए कैन बी क्लासिफाइड एज माइक्रो सैटेलाइट, मिनी सैटेलाइट एक्सेट्रा डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द बेस कंपोजिशन, length of segment and number of repetitive units. These sequences show high degree of polymorphism and form the basis of DNA fingerprinting. Since DNA from every individual differs, they become very useful tool in forensic applications. As the polymorphism are inheritable, DNA fingerprinting is the basis of paternity testing. तो पेरेंट्स के डीएनए और ऑफस्प्रिंग के डीएनए आपस में टैली करते हैं, इसलिए हम इससे चेक कर सकते हैं. या कोई रेप केस वगैरह हुआ हो, उस सीमेन से, बॉडी हेयर से भी हम पता लगा सकते हैं डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग से. पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म मीन्स वेरिएशन एट जेनेटिक लेवल arises due to mutation. If an inheritable mutation is observed in a population of high frequency, it is called DNA polymorphism. There are variety of different type of polymorphism ranging from single nucleotide changes to very large scale changes. So what is the methodology of DNA fingerprinting? Technique involves southern blot hybridization using radio labeled VNTR as a probe. Methodology of DNA fingerprinting includes number 1, DNA is isolated and digested by the restriction endonuclease. तो क्या करते हैं डीएनए फिंगर प्रिंटिंग के मेथड में? पहले डीएनए को आइसोलेट अलग करते हैं, सेपरेट करते हैं, उससे रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंडोन्यूक्लियस एंजाइम से डाइजेस्ट करते हैं. एंडोन्यूक्लियस अंदर की तरफ कट लगाता है डीएनए में, जबकि एक्सोन्यूक्लियस जो होता है वो बाहर कट लगाता है. उसके बाद डीएनए फ्रैगमेंट को सेपरेट करते हैं इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस टेक्निक से. सेपरेटेड डीएनए फ्रैगमेंट को ट्रांसफ़र कर देते हैं एक सिंथेटिक मेम्ब्रेन पे, जैसे नाइट्रोसेलुलोज की मेम्ब्रेन या नायलॉन पे. फिर हाइब्रिडाइजेशन करते हैं उसका VNTR प्रोब को यूज़ करते हुए, वेरिएबल नंबर ऑफ टैंडम रिपीट को यूज़ करते हुए. हाइब्रिडाइज डीएनए फ्रैगमेंट को डिटेक्ट करते हैं उसके बाद ऑटो रेडियोग्राफी से. तो DNA is isolated and digested by the restriction enzyme. And second step is DNA fragment are separated by electrophoresis. Then separated DNA fragment are transferred to synthetic membrane like nitrocellulose or nylon. Then hybridization using labeled VNTR probe. And finally hybridized DNA fragment are detected in autoradiography. So what is variable number of tandem repeat VNTRs? It belongs to a class of satellite DNA known as mini satellite. It is marked as the important tool for DNA fingerprinting. Chromosome number repeats show very high degree of polymorphism. Due to this, the size of VNTR varies in size from 0.1 to 20 kb. This DNA differs in individual to individual except in case of monozygotic, that is identical twins. Consequently, after hybridization with VNTR probe, the autoradiogram gives many bands to different size. These bands give characteristic pattern of an individual DNA. Sensitivity has been increased by use of polymerase chain reaction, that is PCR. So what are the application of DNA fingerprinting? It is useful as identification tool in forensic application. It is the basis of paternity testing in case of disputes. It is used to determine population and genetic diversities and also in evolutionary biology. Ethical issues of DNA fingerprinting: inappropriate genetic testing, Process can be misused for the purpose of family balancing, that is sex determination of the fetus, or for the paternity testing without the informed consent of individual involved. Limitation of genetic testing. Genetic tests are reliable and accurate but not always. Expression of gene can be modified by individual's environment, hence it can point the finger at the wrong person. Violation of pupil privacy. Several countries nowadays maintain DNA bank of criminals. Sometimes people who are arrested but not conceived accidentally enter in the database. In such case, DNA fingerprinting violates the privacy of people and make their personal information easily available to others. Patenting of genes. It ensures that the commercial interests do not limit equity and access. Setting limitation boundaries in the application of genetic technology. It is important to implement regulation internationally, such as in the areas of reproductive cloning and genetic testing. It is also important to respect the moral and cultural benefits that underlies the decision making by couples, families, individuals, etc. Now I am talking about DNA fingerprinting. Technique of DNA fingerprint was developed by Dr. Alex Jeffrey and as an attempt to identify DNA marker for the